We've got a situation here that I can't figure out. I've never seen before. Done a lot of research on it and I can't find any information. Did an oil change on this. I did the oil reset and the check or change engine oil light stayed off for 2 days until I went and had new tires and new tire pressure sensor monitors installed. As soon as I got it back from the shop, the change oil indicator came on, did a reset, and it came right back on again. I've reset it multiple times and it keeps coming back on. I talked to a mechanic at a Chevy dealership and he thinks it might be a bad ECU. So this is what it's doing. Put in the key. There it is, change engine oil. Okay, I'm going to do a reset. Turn the key off. I'm going to turn the key on, press the gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds. And turn the ignition off, start the vehicle, and we'll see what happens. Okay, oil life reset. Turn the key off. Start the vehicle. Oil life reset. Got a rough idle. It seems to be getting a little bit rougher. I want to change the throttle position sensor. It should get rid of that. It should also get rid of a hard shifting problem that I'm having with this. Okay, so it's done cycling through. Turn it off. Turn the key back on again and watch what happens. Oil life reset. Usually it says change oil. Okay, turn it off. Oil life reset. Usually by now it's showing change oil. Okay, I'll cycle through here. Odometer, trip, hour meter, odometer. Okay, now it seems to be stuck on oil life reset instead of showing change oil. Okay, I'm going to try the reset a different way now. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Press the gas pedal 3 times in 5 seconds. Okay, I'm going to just let it sit here and cycle through, see what it does. I've done this multiple times too. Okay, now it seems to be stuck on oil life reset instead of saying change oil. I've got no idea what's going on with this. I'm starting to believe maybe there is a problem with the ECU. So if anybody has any information on this, they've encountered this problem and found a solution, post it in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. Other people might be having the same issue too, and we can help them out by showing these problems and either showing how to resolve these issues or read through the comments and people can find how to resolve it through there. I'm going to try this one more time. Shut it down, start it back up. Well, actually, all I got to do is turn the key forward and it would usually show change oil. All right, here's the last try. Okay, yeah, now it seems to be stuck on oil life reset. Evidently it's not going to show change oil soon, but that's what it had been doing up until I just got out the camera to show it, and now it's not doing it. Seems to be stuck on oil reset. Okay, there it is. I only waited like maybe 30 or 40 seconds when I turned the camera off. I was going to call it quits because it wasn't doing what I was saying it was, but there you seen it. Change oil is back on again. All right, any help on this would be greatly appreciated. Leave your comments, suggestions, fixes down in the comments.